Thanks for tuning in. This is Clint with CNC Motorsports. What I have up here today is a Callies Compstar crankshaft. This is their 4340 forged. Wanted to do a kind of a brief little video over this forging here to kind of give you an idea of what this forging looks like, how clean it is, and what it actually looks like if you're in the market for an updated crankshaft. We currently have 3 250 stroke and 3 400 stroke available. We'll just kind of start up at the front here, kind of go over it. The counterweights are knife edged. You can see it has lightning. The rod throws are lightened. Large fillet radius. Gun drilled mains help reduce some of the weight of the crankshaft. Nice clean forging. Uses the stock 302 main, stock 302 rod diameter journal. So all stock bearing sizes. It will require an H series bearing that is required in all these because of the larger fillet radius. Like I said, it is 4340 forged steel. You know, it is Compstar. It is one of Callies' lesser expensive lines. However, make no mistake, it's backed by Callies' name, so you are buying a quality piece. As far as internal balance, the only internal balance, depending upon your bob weight, most Ford crankshafts will be around the 1750 bob weight for balancing. Not going to be any issue at all. As far as bearings, ENA bearings, we have all the bearings available. We offer King ACL, Clevite. We can accommodate a bearing if you order one of the crankshafts, not a problem. So just give you a little editorial here of kind of the crankshaft, so you can kind of see up close what it's actually like, how it actually looks. If you're in the market for one, give us a call. We'll definitely set you up. You could give us a call here at 800-341-1528, or you can visit us online at cnc-motorsports.com. All the crankshafts are listed on our website for sale. You want to put together a custom rotating assembly package, we can certainly do that with one of these crankshafts, internally balance it for you, whatever you want. So we can accommodate you in any way. Thanks for tuning in, and follow our YouTube page and Facebook page for other updates and other products. Thanks.